asset ID 140374. LapMaster Wolters Model 12. Serial number 18343.
Did you call anybody? Small. She's busy.
I'm gonna go ahead, turn on the main unit. The timer's been preset for 9 minutes 10 seconds. Gonna hit start. Turn on the RPMs. It's all the way up. Gonna turn these down because it's a little bit noisy, so we can hear the next operation of this motor. Gonna turn it on, turn up the RPMs on it. And that's as fast as it'll go. Gonna turn this down and off, and turn this one on now. That one goes pretty fast. Turn it off. So the unit comes with what we just saw, the main unit, this part, this controller with the motor, comes with 3 weights, 3 of these lapping discs. These I don't really know what they're called. It comes with the manual, and it comes with a cover for when not in use. Thanks for watching.